So basically what I am doing here, I am trying to make a news app in Vuetify, and since last few days I have been working with Vuetify. So sorry, accidentally I had disabled my mic. So let's see. No, I don't want this here right now. So let's create another new dialog, console dialog, and I will go to the desktop. News app. Okay, start. So here we are. Let's go to the code. We can make a desktop application with that also. Do you know that? With this package Vue CLI plugin Electron Builder, we can make a desktop app with that also. Well, let's see. I'm not going to create a desktop app today, but I will try one day. Yeah, I'm working on a desktop app project right now. Because I am more familiar with web technologies than native technology, we can say that. Yeah, I'm good at native also, but I know native, but question is I need some AJAX requests, like kind of things, like we have a single database for a project which uses a mobile application and a web application and a CRM application, and all there are 5 to 6 applications for a single database. So I am using Electron, so that's why. So that I can create some API calls and all. So here this is the basic application. Here we are good to go to create. It's all installing, it's not completed yet. We can create an Axios request to here, and I think what I'm trying to do, I'm going to make a Axios request here. So what I'm going to do is npm Axios. Yeah, actually I just now remember, in the last stream I kept my mic shut, so that's why my mic didn't work this time, right? Yeah, I keep forgetting something always. And about the other streams, I am still trying to figure out a genetic algorithm with Rust, and having some issues with the C++ codes, and I have solved that error. I am now using an AJAX request, so I will tell you how it can be done with Axios. And yeah, in this app, bloggy app, and I have recorded few videos in Expressor, so in few days I will upload it. Yeah, I think I should create some videos in Adobe applications also, like Illustrator and Photoshop, Animator, CC, and Premiere Pro, I guess. So let's cd app and git. Okay, view add Vuetify. And here what I'm doing, I'm just doing npm install. You can do just Axios save. Yeah, I'm pretty new to programming, you can say. I have been working with coding since last 4 to 5 years, so pretty much new. We will follow this method here. If we'll get some error, then we'll solve that error. If we're not getting any error, we'll not solve that error. So that's simple, pretty much simple. Yeah, my friends complained about the last videos that I had this very little sound because my headphone was broken, and I didn't recognize that it was broken until I finished the records, and I didn't have many patience to record the entire session again, so sorry for that. Edit one package from, yeah, we're good to go. Now default. Yeah, actually I'm using a wooden bench for my laptop stand. Yeah, it's a laptop bench actually, but it's wooden, and it's too much hot here, like around 42 to 43 degrees Celsius today. Yeah, I will finish this app as soon as possible, and I am going to work on a electron project today, so I've been working on that project really. So we are good to go. Now we are good to go. So let's find out. Let's reload and let's go to the source, and we have here, and let's check the package.json if we have Axios or not. I think we should have Axios. What the hell? Where is Axios? Let's do it. It should have. Let's import Axios. In the other page, let's solve it. So here in the app.view, I'm just going to delete all of it, and I'm just going to put router view. I think it would work. I don't need this one. No, I don't need components. I may need data. So Axios, it's not finding Axios. Axios isn't installed yet. But how? I have just installed npm i Axios and it is not installed. Am I the wrong app? No. Yeah. Same app. Let's see. Let's find out. Here in app.view, yeah, we're good to go here, and in view, home.view, we don't need the hello world. We don't need hello world here. We don't need hello world here. So let's check again. Axios is installed. Yeah, now we have Axios. Cool. Now we all have Axios. So what we need to do mainly, main.js, import Axios from Axios. Is it okay? Let's do here import Axios from Axios. Okay, in home we will do this one, components. We don't have any components. We'll create a data file here, data file, and we will return it. And we got news here, so we have news and return data. And we create a mounter function here. And we'll create a Axios request, Axios get. We'll create an Axios get. Before that we need to define an URL. Here is the URL, JavaScript. Okay, so this is the URL, and var get URL. Okay, and we'll define then what we have to do. If response comes, then we have to console log it. So you can make this console log response dot data, and if we'll get some error, we'll catch it, error, and error. So we are good to go, I guess. Let's see how far we are with the build. Okay, these are ESLint errors, so we are good to go. 8080. Okay, yeah, got it. Let's check the console first. Object, we have 10 articles here, right? These are from BBC News. So what we'll do, we will create a list, create a for loop here, so that we can get the headlines here, and we'll try to figure out how to get the entire article with the click function. Okay, so we'll go to Vuetify. Bing. Let's check it out, how much viewers we have. 1 liter data. Okay, not now. Are you still live? Yeah, we are still live. So documentation, UI components. What we need, only some cards, I guess. Like this one. Let's get this one. Which one we need? We need this one. Okay, this one or this one, I'm not sure. Let's get this one, better, it will be better. Okay, Okay, so view layout, copy, and here in template paste it. So let's check it out if we have something defined. Card text defined. We can change it, right? I'm getting it from BBC News. I can get news sources from India, news sources here, news sources, and I'm from India, so I get to news from, I want to get news from India, country India, copy, and sources, and just paste it, and is needed. So let's check it out if we're still getting some news or not. Status okay, yeah, I'm getting 38 articles. Okay, that's good. So what you need a container here, and I'm going to move the total card into this container here, and let's try to make it as container. Yeah, container will be fine. So yeah, that's good. Card text. So let's make a v plus v card. So v for item in news key item.id. Okay, so why I'm getting this error? It should work. It should have worked. Let's check it out what I'm getting here. Up data. Okay, sorry, I forgot to this dot news equal to response dot data. I have to do that here. Okay, so here you can see we are getting newses here, and I'm seeing only 3. Infinite scroll. Let's get infinite scroll. Infinity scroll is important here. So okay, I will do this infinity scroll in the next video, and let me just get this headlines here. Okay, item in there. Do you have a image? News India, source ID, title, headline, item title, I guess. Item title. Let's check it out. not getting anything. Check the view here. App route. I'm not getting news. Status. Okay. What is the status here? Am I doing something error here? No, it's all fine.